गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू अवर चैनल हम तुम व्लॉग्स। तो अभी होटल से निकल के आज पहला दिन है अमान में और मैं जा रहा हूँ मरहबा। तो मेरा प्लान कुछ टोटल जॉर्डन कवर करने का है। तो हम लोग आज कैपिटल से निकलेंगे एंड वी गोना टेक द किंग्स हाईवे। वहाँ से निकल के देन वी आर रीचिंग टू द एक्सट्रीम साउथ वेयर ऑल थ्री कंट्रीज मीट टू अकाबा। मरहबा
Marhaba.
Marhaba from brother Marwan. So we have a very nice gentleman. He's taking us. I'm staying with him. और चलो फिर मिलते हैं हम लोग। आपको जबरदस्त सी खूबसूरत सी जगह मिलाते हैं, बट अभी बहुत ज्यादा ट्रैफिक है। सी दिस, we are in downtown of Amman.
Yeah.
Okay.
Downtown. Before we have two names for Amman. One Roman name, Philadelphia.
Yes, Philadelphia.
Yeah, and second name Amun.
Amun.
And and Amman not the first capital of Jordan. The first capital of Jordan, Ma'an, between Petra and Wadi.
Oh.
We go today. We go tomorrow, inshallah. We see this.
Oh, I didn't know this. So I was in an assumption कि Amman capital है, but there is it used to be a different capital. Amen.
Ma'an.
Man.
Yes, Ma'an.
हम लोग अगर आप देखोगे गाइस, हम दोनों तरफ पहाड़ है and we are in between the mountains. You know.
Jordan is a small country, but we have a lot of historical.
Lot of
Historical.
history, yeah.
History and historical.
Yeah.
Factories. We have Nabatean, like Petra, Romanian, Byzantinian,
Yes.
and Islamic.
Yes.
Small country, but a lot of
history, yeah. This is the only land, a few land in the world like Egypt and Jordan, which has ancient and very old history.
Yes, because we have the history of Jesus. Now we go to the first of place. The Jesus, he come to Jordan for the Jordan River.
Correct.
Jordan River, that means very important for Christian people for baptized.
Yes, even Jesus got baptized there. Yeah, Moses got baptized.
Moses and the top of another mountain. His name Mount Nebo.
Mount Nebo, right? Yeah. What is this mosque?
Yes.
Very beautiful looking mosque.
कितने ऊपर तक घर है।
हाँ वही। The motive of यहाँ पे ना बहुत सिंपल है भाई। जॉर्डन में आप कहीं भी जाओगे ना, इन लोगों का मोटिव एक ही है। They want to make their country proud. They want to make Jordanians proud in terms of hospitality. Nobody can beat Jordanians in terms of hospitality. That is the best thing about these people.
अमन के चक्कर में हम लोग ना मिरर पे हम लोग देख रहे थे कि हम ऐसे फोटो नहीं लिए, हम वैसे फोटो ले सकते थे। और वो तो फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे था। जब हम नीचे आए ना ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे, तो 2 स्टेयर्स थी। मतलब एक तो एकदम छोटी सी थी और एक ऐसी लंबी थी, ठीक है। तो वो छोटी सी मैंने मिस करी, ठीक है। अब वो छोटी सी मिस करी, वो पैर पड़ा किस पे? वो जो लंबी वाली स्टेयर्स थी, लास्ट वाली जो स्टेयर्स थी ना, उसके हाफ पे पड़ा पैर।
क्या चोर बनेगी रे तू, जब तू ऐसी गिर रही है चलते।
वहाँ से मेरा पैर ऐसा हुआ टिल्ट, और मैं वहाँ से ऐसा मतलब पूरा मुंह के बल गिरी। मेरा बच्चा
गिर गया, हमारा बच्चा। तो भाई जॉर्डन का जो अभी का सीन है, यहाँ पे क्या है ना कि जब से जो इजराइल का और पैलेस्टीन का वॉर शुरू हुआ है इन गाजा, सारे रेफ्यूजीज फ्रॉम सीरिया, लीबिया, ईरान, Iraq, all the Palestinians are coming to Jordan because this is very safe. As I said, कि Jordan के लोग बहुत welcoming है. All the 1.3 million, Habibi, you said the refugees.
Yes.
1.3 million refugees Amman में आ चुके हैं, and that is making the Amman city more bigger, more broader, and more beautiful.
The whole Jordan. Not only in Amman,
The whole Jordan.
The whole Jordan.
The whole Jordan. And
but
they
have 50% in Amman.
Yeah, 50% in Amman out of 1.2 million. So they helping and contributing, making this country look more beautiful and infrastructure wise.
This is color for rock. Look. this is not pants, this is rock.
Yes.
Because this is good for summer and good for winter.
Oh, that's the logic.
Yes. And this is not cheaper, it's expensive.
Okay.
But good for the home. Make cold in the summer and make warm in the winter.
So people doesn't go with fashion, they go with safety and
Yes.
Okay.
We need heating,
all
yes.
have done same
She
fashion, same
has this question the day we arrived. My wife and her sister, they both have this question. That all the infrastructure and all the buildings have same color.
Same color.
So now we know the logic. So basically ये सारे जो पत्थर जिससे घर बनते हैं ये पेंट नहीं है गाइस. It's a rock जो आता है पैलेस्टीन एंड जॉर्डन से.
This way we go to Dead Sea and go to baptism side and go to Palestine to the border.
Okay. West Bank.
West Bank, yeah.
तो हम सीधा नहीं जा रहे. We are not going towards Dead Sea क्योंकि हमारा प्लान कुछ और है. हम लोग जा रहे हैं इस तरफ, this direction, right?
Yes, we go now to Madaba.
Madaba, yeah, this direction. ये माधबा में एंटर कर चुके हैं. It's a Christian place, but you cannot make the difference whether you are in the Christian locality. It's all same. Everybody is same. Regardless of... See the first church I noticed. Okay, here it is. This is church. Is it church? Yes, it is. It's a church. Okay. Beautiful. Downtown of Madaba. ये Jordanian flag.
Yeah.
It's very beautiful. I'm gonna put this flag on all my cover pictures. Very beautiful it is. So we are here. Finally. हम जा रहे हैं ATM पैसे निकालने के लिए.
मुझे छठ को लग रहा है.
Very nice. Let's see. देखते हैं क्या करने वाले हैं. So, Habibi, it's called Mahaba. Okay, we are finally at this beautiful place called Mahaba.
What?
Come on, let's go.
What'd you say?
So, look at this canyon, my god, it's so beautiful. See. It's the biggest canyon.
We make coffee and turn them on here.
Oh, she's recording. make coffee?
Yes. It's for Arabian coffee, not Turkish coffee.
Okay.
It's the biggest one.
Okay. So it take too much time. It take too much time,
Yes.
right? And this is kettle.
It's for tea. It's very old.
Yes.
Yeah.
ये भी
कितना एशियंट चीजें हैं ये. इट्स वेरी ओल्ड स्टोन. आई डोंट नो कहाँ का है ये, बट इट्स वेरी ओल्ड.
Yalla habibi. Wow, I'm looking like a Lawrence. Jack Sparrow. Am I looking like a Jack Sparrow?
It's just. Are you fighting with your wife this morning? Really? 25. That's great. So please be my guest. Come on in.
yeah.
You're really welcome. تعال. أفضل. Yeah, this is a simple place. It's a simple.
Yeah, it's very beautiful.
My little kitchen. My view. You would like to see my family? Yeah, wait.
So,
Please be my guest.
middle
It's a
of the
simple
highway.
place.
Middle of the highway, Habibi has stopped me and made me introduced to one wonderful gentleman. Habibi made me introduce. Habibi, I forgot your name.
Hi, how are you? My name is Sammy.
Sammy.
Old Sammy.
Old Sammy.
After tomorrow, I'll become 62 years old. I'm very happy. I promise. 62.
Yeah?
Yeah, so trouble of your age. And
Yeah.
I'm still climbing that rope 3 times per day in the morning. You see that rope?
Yeah?
And the wall? Yes.
3 times?
3 times, non-stop.
Oh.
So,
So old Sam has a very beautiful place here.
Oh my god.
Oh, so the old Sam has turtles here. Wow, look at the place. So this is the place, and old Sam is making some
I'm old Sammy.
amazing
Thank you
homos.
so much. Let me tell you something, or Indian people, God bless all of you.
Shukran, Habibi.
God bless all of you. I read about Indian since long time ago.
And you know Hema Malini.
Hema Malini, Rajendra Kumar, Shashi Kapoor, Amitabh Bachchan, yes?
Yeah.
They're my friends. Well, I need watching with them,
Great
yes. Okay.
knowledge about India.
So his tiny, very beautiful looking place must to visit in Jordan. It is what is this place called, Old Sam?
It's Grand Canyon.
It's
This
Grand
is
Canyon.
Better than
Yeah,
Grand Canyon.
better than Grand Canyon in US. So it's see the place, the beautiful man, so damn beautiful, very beautiful. Wow. So Uncle Sam, can I call you Uncle Sam?
Of course you can.
So-
I love it. Yeah.
Uncle Sam is cooking.
By the way, we are all human beings. We are all relatives.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Indian, Jordanian,
Yeah.
Arabs.
All
Muslims,
one family.
Buddhists, whatever. We're all human beings.
Yeah, yeah,
And it's one life.
yeah,
Let's live it the
yeah,
way we want.
yeah.
Please.
So Uncle Sam is actually cooking some real good must-try Uncle
Please,
Sam's
you're really
hummus.
welcome. Yes. And some
Uncle
veg-
Sam has very
Yeah,
nice
all
tiny
some
restaurant.
vegetables. I love that. So I told you I'll challenge him. If he like my food, he will give me a big hug. If he don't, he will kick my down there. So
Uncle's surma, but I will not do that.
the father,
Okay.
this is the mother. This is the father.
So mother, father,
daughters.
right?
Daughters. And
Daughters.
this is strange one. It's bury herself down there, you see? In winter time. And here's the 2 eggs. And I'm gonna tell you a secret about the
Why you have
the
buried
turtles.
them?
Listen. The normal eggs is like this. The last eggs, it means I'm done. From the grandma, it's like this. White, one. It means that I'm done. I can't get any more eggs. So this is the sign. It means she's done, you know, like a lady. So if she can't burn a baby. So this is the normal one. You know, it take about 60 days to hatch to become a small one. I love that. I love them. They keep them since 10 years ago. It was with my sister home. Yeah, I love it. I love them, yeah. Sometimes I give them a cucumber, sometimes I take them outside to walk.
So how you differentiate who is mother and who is father?
Okay.
Tail hota hai male ka, I believe.
Underground, they will hash and they will come up like a peanuts, you know? Yeah, I love them. So, you want to know the male and... Tell me. Look. 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 Look.
Tail.
تعال. تعال. You see? What is the difference right now? What is the difference? Yeah. The difference is
find.
the female is flat.
Okay.
The male, there is a curve. You know why? Because you can't stand right.
Okay.
You can't stand like this. But the women's cannot. You see?
So अमित यहाँ पर बेडरूम स्टाइल में फूड खा रहा है विद अंकल. इन्होंने फूड प्रिपेयर किया हमारे लिए. So ये एग है with mixed veggies and this is bread.
No, this is not the bread.
This is not that?
This is a newspaper. Of course it's a bread. It's original. I'm just kidding, you know. Yes, this is some mixed with some vegetables.
Yes.
Green onion and red onion and some pepper and also some onion and some local bread. That's what we call it. شو بنسميها احنا هذه؟ Omelette or shakshuka. Omelette. And this some vegetables and here is some hummus with lemon and that's it. And that's me. Hi.
Uncle Sam.
Uncle Sam.
Old
And
Sam.
he is the best
Can I tell you
person
something?
I
Thank you
have
so
met
much.
so far in
Thank
Jordan.
you so much.
You're really
and God
heart
bless you.
touching. Thank
If I
you
had
so
a wish,
much.
I'm going to ask God to bless you. And your family. Yeah.
Talk to her.
You forgot uncle, huh?
Before he
No. He's so sweet.
Thank you.
He's not sweet. He's
He
bitter.
is also sweet.
He's
No,
bitter?
this is bitter.
Thank you so much. Of course, the shorter way to the heart of the woman by her stomach. Don't
Yes.
forget that. Yeah.
We have calling.
We will call
When
each
I
other.
check out the hotel, I call.
Okay, Habibi.